It's a beautiful day today in Toccoa, Georgia, and we've got a 1958 Chevrolet Apache for sale. It does not have a motor or a transmission. It had it, and it did drive up and down the road. Of course, my hubby does a lot of projects, and he decided it was more important to him than leaving it in this. So you get what you see. This thing's $3,000. It's a pretty solid old truck. I don't have a bed. No parts that you don't see I don't have. This is the inside. Dash looks good. Floor pan looks all right. If you have any questions about it, you can let me know. There's a cab corner down there. There's no glass. Take a look at the inside from on this side over here. This would make a nice restorable truck. I still have the transmission that came out of it. If you're interested in it, it's got a shift kit on it. Let me know. Again, here's a 58 Chevrolet Apache, $3,000.